Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve DAM WATCHDOG timeout BSOD in Windows computer. So this error is one of those frustrating errors that shown up as a blue screen when your computer fails to resume properly from sleep or modern standby. And several causes this issue include corrupted or outdated drivers, especially for graphics or storage, faulty system files, incorrect BIOS or UEFI settings related to power management, and memory related problems. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update your graphics and chipset drivers. And then all you have to do is to select on the start menu. And then you need to type this device manager. And then you need to click this open. And then once you open up this device manager, and then next step, then you need to select this as display adapters and click this arrow to expand. And then we need to update this Intel graphics on how to update. So all you have to do is to select, and then you need to right click, and then you need to tap or click this update driver. In updating this driver, so we have two options: search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then you need to tap or select this search automatically, and then we need to wait, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so once you're done here at device manager, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to disable fast startup. So all you have to do is to click again on search menu, and then you need to type control panel, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify at view by and click this category arrow. And then you need to select large icons to see all settings. And then next step, then you need to select this power option. And then once you open up this power options at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select this, choose what the power buttons do, and then click. And then on right side, and then you need to click or tap this change settings that are currently unavailable, and then click. And then once you open up, and then at the bottom of your Windows screen, then you can see this shutdown settings. And then we need to uncheck or untick this turn on fast startup. So we need to disable. So uncheck this box. And the next step, then you need to select this save changes. Alright, so after you modify this power options, and then we need to close again. And then the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair corrupted files. So all you have to do is to click again on search menu, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then we need to type and enter this command keyword sfc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And then next step, then we need to close this CMD. And then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart to fix these issues. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.